All right, sorry about that, guys. Had to get them in off camera. My pins, the new pins I got were too long, so I had to use my Dremel tool with the diamond cutting blade to cut them a little bit shorter to get them on there, but I didn't want you guys to sit through that. So at the back of the truck now, ready to put the Velke with the new tires on it back onto the Wright Velke 48-inch. Got the bracket on here already from that install video I made for you guys about a couple years ago. Going to put this back on here. So this goes right dead center in the middle. This is going through the holes. These two tabs go into the two tab holes, and then the top tab, I like using the top tab pin, goes through the hole there. Bring it on up to the locking lever on the Wright Velke itself. So we gotta turn it over first. Boom, locks up. And then last thing we do here is we grease. I like doing mine while the wheels are up, just so that when right after I grease, I can spin the tire and get that grease in there. So I'm gonna do that off camera. Won't bore you guys with that, but again, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're new. It's free to do, and I'd greatly appreciate it. See you guys in the next one. Peace.